So guys, we had this Mercedes C-Class 2019 for ambient lighting. First we remove and dismantle door panels and dash. And this is how it looks after fitting everything back. As you can see, we added this middle stripe as it looks awesome. And we added 4-door stripe, handle light, foot light, speaker light, and also storage light. And also one stripe on the dashboard. This is all included by us. If you want your car to look like this, then DM us, we will make your car shine at night. Thank you and enjoy the view.